Hello, boys and girls. This is Mrs. Douglas. Today I'm going to show you how to place a book on hold in Destiny. For at least a little while, our library will not be open for checkout. I will be delivering books to your classroom. So if there is a certain book that you want me to bring to you, you will have to go into Destiny and put it on hold. To begin, we will start in Clever. So go to your Clever page, then you will have to look for the Follett Destiny app. My app is all the way at the bottom, so I'm going to put a heart on that app, which will move it to the top, because then this app will be easier for me to find, and hopefully you will be using it a lot. So once I click on Follett Destiny, I will be asked to enter my username and password. Your username and password is the same as what you use for Schoology. So you type that in, and then yours will say save. I've already saved my information, so I just click go to Follett Destiny. Okay, so when you get to Follett Destiny, you will see recently added books. These are some books that we just got new into the library. You could scroll through those. You can take a look, see what all we have new. If you see one of these books that you think looks good to you, you'd like to read it, you simply place the hold button. Okay, so I can go back out of that. Here are some popular titles. As you can see, these are books that are checked out. They're not available right now. Here are some ebooks, and here you can search by topic. There are two ways that you can search for a book. You can go to the top and type in Diary of a Wimpy Kid, and it will pull up all of those Diary of a Wimpy Kid books. As you can see, this one's checked out. There are some that are available, but if I want a Diary of a Wimpy Kid book, I simply place it on hold. Okay, so that's one way to search for a book. Another way is to search here by topic. If you want a sports fiction book, you'll just click on sports fiction, and it will pull up all of our sports fiction books for you. So there are 150 of them. If you would like to narrow that down by accelerated reader level, let's say that you're looking for a book on a certain level. If you are in 3rd grade and you want only 3rd grade level books, you just type in those levels and click done. And over here you'll see accelerated reader level, and you can look for them that way. You can scroll through these books. Dugout Rivals, that one looks good. I'm going to place that one on hold. Okay, so here you can see these 3 lines and the number 4. That means I have 4 books on hold. If I click there, I go down to holds, I can see what my books are that I have on hold. If I change my mind, oh, I had this one on hold last week, but I don't think I really want that one anymore, I just click on the book. I can click on unhold. Then when I go back, that book is gone, and these are the books that I have on hold. Every day I will get a hold report, and from that report I will be able to check out these books to you and bring them to your classroom. Just because a book says that it is in does not mean that it is available. When I bring books in that have been checked out, they have to sit in quarantine for 72 hours in order to kill any germs that would be on the books. So if it says that it's in, it probably is, but it may not be available just yet. It may have a couple days left in quarantine. If a book is ready, I will pull the report, bring it down to your classroom, and we can trade. It's okay for you to have 2 or 3 books on hold because that'll give me a little bit more to choose from in case one of the books that you wanted is, in fact, in quarantine. So if we go back here and go back again, try to get back to that home page, there are recently added books, our popular titles, and here are ebooks. This is something that I wanted to show you. You can scroll to take a look at ebooks. We have a couple hundred of those to choose from. I'm interested in this hurricane one. We've had a busy hurricane season, so I want to look into this one. I just simply click open, and it will pull up that ebook. Ebook is an electronic book, and I can read it straight from my device. Just turn the page, and I can read the book from here. So those are the electronic books. Like I said, there are a couple hundred of those that you have to choose from. Or you can place the book on hold. I'll pull my report and I will bring it down to you. So I've showed you how to search for books, how to place them on hold, how to filter it, how to unhold the book if you change your mind, and how to look up ebooks. If you are on remote learning, the ebooks are a great option for you right now. You will not be placing books on hold until you come back to school. But the ebooks are a great option. So that's it. I hope to see you all soon. I'll be delivering books to your classrooms that you have put on hold. And if you don't happen to have a book on hold, I will still be bringing books around. It just might not be exactly what you were looking for. So put some books on hold. I'll get them brought down to you so we can all start reading. Thank you, guys.